Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 50, the 200, and the 20 EMA in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 and let's start with the EMA 20. Okay, so go to Insert, Indicator, and click on Moving Average. Now go to Parameter. On Period, make sure you type 20. Okay, here on Method, choose Exponential and choose a color you want. Okay, so let's choose, for example, this one and choose the width of the line from here. Now click on OK. And this is our 20 EMA. Now let's add the 50. Go again to Insert, Indicator, Moving Average, and we have here period, type 50. We have here method. If you found it here on simple, change it to exponential. Now change the color. So let's choose another color, for example, this one. And I will keep the same width and click on OK. So this one is the 50 moving average, EMA. Now let's add the 200. Again, go to insert. It's the same thing. Indicator, moving average. And here type 200. Method exponential. I will choose, for example, here white. And I will make this line a little bit bigger. So click on OK. And this is our 200 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.